Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn the new chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. In this chapter, we have to learn about why plants and how plants are necessary for us, and what are the types of plants on the basis of its thickness, length, height, and breadth. So let us start the topic. Plants are the main source of food as well as oxygen. This we learned in the previous topic. It also gives us wood, medicine, etc. Now we are on the topic types of plants. On the basis of length, height and thickness, we can classify plants into three major categories: herbs, second shrubs, and third trees. Now we will learn one by one about the herbs, shrubs and trees. At first we learn about herbs. These are the plants that have green and weak stems. These are small plants with not many branches. For example, grass, mint, coriander. In another word, we can say herb is the smallest plant. The next is shrubs. These are the plants with hard but not having thick stems. These are mainly bush-like, or we can say it bushy plants. The branches of the shrubs generally grow from the base of the stems. The shrubs are taller than herbs but shorter than trees. So we can say that these are the middle kind of plants. For example, rose plant, lemon plant, etc. The third type of plant is tree. Trees are the plants which are very tall and have a thick and hard stem. The trees have woody stem that we use to make furniture and many things. The branches of the trees grow from the upper part of the trees and are very high above the ground. For example, neem, peepal, mango tree, etc. Trees helps us in many ways. It gives us food and medicine, wood, etc. as well as it helps us to keep our environment clean. It takes the harmful gases, carbon dioxide from the environment. Thanks.